Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidling with your Business Bite.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ has signaled that criminals will not be able to use Jamdex to carry out their malicious acts. Speaking at a Jamaica Observer business webinar, BOJ Deputy Governor in charge of Banking and Currency Operations and Financial Markets Infrastructure Divisions, Natalie Haynes, said there will still be strong mechanisms in place to guard against money laundering and terrorism financing.
And when you go outside of the financial system in terms of financial entities for persons to be issuing money, then you're going to have a problem in terms of how you manage your monetary policy. All right, so all that is in the mix. So we go through financial institutions, regulated financial institutions, I can add, because of the AML safety concerns. And we have to remember Jamaica is just a little dot on the map in terms of our risk assessment and in terms of we being on grey lists and blacklists. We have to show the world that we still, even though it's CBDC and it's issued by the central bank, the AML safety framework is still in place.
And the National Commercial Bank, NCB, which is the first financial entity approved by the Bank of Jamaica to distribute Jamdex, has indicated that customers will be able to move their digital currency around with ease.
The technology currently developed and in place supports interoperability, and that is a key part of what will make this entire thing successful, right? So we are reasonably assured that once the other players come on stream, that we'll be able to transfer Jamdex from NCB to those entities, and likewise we'll be able to receive transfers from them. So we're actively working through at least our market positioning to meet that demand.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidling.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.